We are embracing converged, hyper-converged, and software-defined data center. Okay? Not to the right, excuse me, my right, your left, is a V-block system, up and running, and people are saying how cool it is. Off to the left is a 2U box, very similar to the VX Rail, right? We do it and say one step further. You load in the networking. So instead of just sitting there and saying we converge the storage, we converge the networking. We make it really simple. How many people here like it simple? Right? How many, well, let's put it this way. How many people like it and making it easy to install? Okay? Let me get your definition of easy to install. 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
That works.
That works?
Yeah.
Okay? How would you like to do 1,000 servers in 15 minutes? All right? We can do things like that. How many people like it? Again, simple. All right? With using VMware's tools, it's a single window pane for guys that want to do servers, for people who want to do converge or virtualized servers, and for people who sit there and say storage, and for people who sit there and say, I want to manage my networking as well. How many people sit there and say, I always have to depend on that Cisco guy around to help me build my network? Right? People are going, man, that's a tough one, you know? Friday night, you want to be home, and well, let's say it this way, Thursday night, you want to be here watching this movie, right? And you got to have that Cisco guy to help you build it. And he's out here, already here at the movie theater. So you're there, trying to build it, and you go, give me those IP addresses. Give me those, tell me how to do it. We do away with that single interface. Nice, right? Okay? This is the whole idea. A system that's 70% more efficient. All right, when I say that means you don't have to have additional air conditioning. How many people sit there and say, I put my servers in, I put my storage in, and I didn't realize I had to put in more power. I didn't realize I had to put in this much more air conditioning in. Right? You go all the time, right? You go, oops. So keep it simple. Put it in a 2U box. It has more horsepower than that system right next door. It's got more storage than that system right next door. Guess how many cables come out of that box, that 2U box? Guess how many cables?
4.
Did I hear 5? 5 cables. Okay, you go, what's that? 2 power cables, 2 network cables, and something that cable to manage the system with. And guess what? You can put 20 of these inside a single rack. How cool would that be, right? And no additional air conditioning. All right? All running at 110 volts. People like that, right? Okay. So, what we sit there and say is, keep it simple. How'd you like to have people help you manage it while you're not there? How would you like to have a phone to manage your servers with, your storage with, your networking with? We can do that. We have an applet. It's called Dell Mobile Manager. You put it on an Android phone. You put it on an iPhone. We sit there and help you manage it using a phone. How cool is that, right? How many people sit there and say, hey, look, I want somebody to tell me when something goes down. We have that now. We call it Support Assist. And essentially it's a call you when something goes down. You don't have to manage it. You can take a look at your phone. You can sense when something's going down. But if we need to replace it, we do the replacement on your behalf. Based on our service level agreement, we can take it down to 2 hours. You know, that's how we say keep it simple. All right? easy, simple. The last thing is cost effective, right? This is something that you don't have to give up your first child to get. This is something where you can say, hey, look it, I budgeted $50,000, $60,000 and get it in. That system right there, you look at it, you budget it, and you go, I can do it. It's not this, oh my God, it's a Ferrari. Oh my God, it's something that I have to be worried about. So, you make it simple, you make it affordable, and we make it easy.